Hey, it's Kyle Sellerud, and this is the truth about call-only ads.
Hey, yo, Kyle. Yo, this is your man, Flavor Flav. Hey, yo, I want you to speak the truth, you know what I'm saying? For real, G, and I know that you do speak the truth. You know what I'm saying? I want to hear it, and the whole world wants to hear it. All right, Kyle? So, yo, speak the truth, G.
What is a call-only ad? Some people call these pay-per-call ads, but that's not actually what they are, which I'll get to shortly. So a call-only ad is a type of ad that you set up in Google Ads. So instead of a normal headline, it's going to show your phone number. Okay, that'll be the first main part of the headline. When someone clicks on a call-only ad, it does not take them to a website. It takes them to making a phone call on their phone, okay? So this is a mobile-only ad, and when you click it, the phone number pops up on your phone to make a call. So what is the problem with call-only ads? Well, when you click it, the phone number pops up on your phone to make a call, okay? That's the problem. These are not actually pay-per-call ads. So just because the phone number pops up on somebody's phone does not mean they are making the call. These are actually still pay-per-click ads. That means you pay when someone clicks on the ad. And for most types of businesses, most people do not complete the call. There are exceptions to this, which I'll get to shortly, but most of the time when someone clicks the ad and that phone call option pops up on their phone, they don't actually complete the call. So here's what actually happens. So someone is on their phone, they're doing a Google search, they see a result, and okay, I want to check that out. Boom, let me click on that ad. And oh, wait a minute, it wants me to make a call right now? I barely know anything about this business. I'm just going to cancel out of this, and I'm going to move on and find a website that I can explore a little bit. And that's if you're lucky enough to get your ad clicked at all. These call-only ads receive far fewer clicks because a lot of people do realize that by clicking this ad, it's going to make a call, and they don't want to do that. People want to research and learn about a business before calling it. So you're going to get far fewer clicks on a call-only ad than on a regular text ad. And what happens when you get fewer clicks? Well, Google doesn't like that. Google only gets paid when people click on an ad. So if your ad isn't getting very many clicks, it'll be shown less and less. And if you want it to be shown more, you'll have to pay more per click. Another thing that I've found by looking at so many call-only ads when I've done account audits is that most of these calls are actually coming from wrong numbers. It's someone searching for a different business. They see a phone number on the Google results page. They assume that must be the number for the business they just searched for, so they call it. So now you have people calling your business thinking they were calling someone else. It leads to confusion for whoever's answering your phone. It leads to confusion for the person who made the call. And really, you're not going to get any business. You're not going to steal customers this way. All you're going to do is waste money. So what are the exceptions? Well, basically, there are only a couple. Less than 1% of businesses can actually do okay with call-only ads. These would be emergency type businesses. Businesses where someone doesn't really care who is going to be helping them as long as it happens quickly. So something like a locksmith or emergency roadside assistance or a junk car removal. These types of things, customers mostly assume that one business is identical to the next. There's nothing that is really going to set one business apart from the other one. They just need someone to answer the phone and get there quickly. These types of businesses can do okay with call-only ads, and really those are the only exceptions that I've ever seen. Bottom line, call-only ads do not work. When these first came out, I tested them like crazy. They seemed like the next big thing, but I just could not get them to work. And now I've seen so many accounts of other people trying to get them to work that I can tell you they do not work. Okay? That's the truth. You're not going to have success with call-only ads. What does work is a regular text ad with a call extension. You can still give people the option to call you if they want to, but it shouldn't be their only option. Okay, the main thing they're going to want to do is click on your ad, go to your website, and check you out. So you need a regular text ad with a call extension and a good landing page. So I'm sorry that call-only ads aren't the secret you've been looking for, but if you do want to generate more calls for any local business using a proven system that works, then I encourage you to check out my Elite Local Ads program. I'll put a link in the description so you can go check that out, and I'll see you around.